So, traders, as I'm about to start the video, I just want to share a few gratitude words with you guys, and I'll let you guys and make you guys well aware how wonderful September will be. As I say, be grateful September will turn out the way you pray for it. Be grateful September will fulfill all your dreams and all your life desires. And most of all, be grateful that September will give you what you can maintain, not what you need, what you want, what you can be able to maintain as you are given or by the Lord. So, as I'm about to start the video, I want to share with you guys possible updates on 3 trading pairs that we always work on, which is nasdaq, gold, and USDCad. Just to give you an insight, based on our weekly trading outlook that we shared on the previous video, you can go check out that playlist so you can see it, right? So, as I share this video, I want you guys to be mindful that this will be an update, not what the market might look into doing. This will be an update from what the market have done and what the markets have done based on what you have anticipated, and what the market are looking to do based on what the markets have moved and how the markets have played out, right? But before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop fire educational videos. And as you guys are all aware, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I've left my number, my Instagram link, my Telegram link, my WhatsApp link. Choose what you want to text me on or call me so I can put in work, so I can come to you and give you a wonderful experience so you can have all the knowledge and all the gems that you need to have a great end to your trading journey, right into your trading life. But without further ado, let me just share this possible directions and let me just update you guys into what the markets have done throughout this 2 days, right? So, as you guys clearly understand that the first pair will be nasdaq, right? And on the NAS, I've shared an anticipation which played out as you have anticipated. All glory to the Most High, right? That obviously prices this intraday support, right? And obviously from holding this intraday zone, we're only looking for 2 things. Are we going to have a fail to break so we can look for those intraday moves to the upside, or are we going to get a break below so we can look for continuations to the downside? So as you guys can clearly see, price gave us a break below, right? So from a break below, price moved as we anticipated with a clean continuation to the downside. So with a clean continuation to the downside, you now can understand price violated our zone, right? So from a violation of our intraday zone, price gave us a reaction on our previous higher low, right? So from this reaction on our previous higher low, you now can clearly understand that from this push to the downside, price gave us momentum, which led into price having a continuation or a move to the upside based on multiple rejections and multiple reactions from our previous higher low. Do you guys get that? So on the NAS, all I can say now, just to end the week, is that nasdaq, we might not have a clean trade idea based on how price is looking at the current structure. We're in the middle of our 2 zones, our support, our resistance, and our support. And obviously once price is trading in the middle, there's nothing else that we might look to do but to just wait for price to either give us a reaction or price to trade on our POR, which is our resistance, or our POR, which is our support. If that won't happen, then I guess we might let the nasdaq, I guess we might let nasdaq be the way it is just to end the trading week. Do you guys get that? But just to leave you guys with this, nasdaq is looking choppy. So from price looking choppy, there's nothing we might look to do. Do you guys get that? Second pair, which is gold. So on gold might be a problem. Gold might be a problem, right? So as you guys can clearly see how gold is looking, gold is in a clean bullish structure, right? Based on what I'm about to say to you guys, price gave us a break above our all-time high resistance, and obviously from a break above our all-time high resistance, price is now giving us an indication that we might look forward for those continuations to the upside, because breaking above our all-time high resistance gives you a clean indication that gold is still stronger than the United States dollar, right? And obviously when gold is strong, gold tends to be bullish, right? So just to make you guys understand that from every breakout that price will give us, we need to look forward for a resistance. We need to look forward for a pullback or an exhaustion phase, so we can look forward for those continuations to the upside, right? Same thing, if price gives you a break below that support or that major support, there's nothing else that you might look for but for a pullback or a retest, so you can look for those continuations to the downside. So just to sum things up, gold, we just might leave it the way it is, but to make you guys understand that from every break above of our all-time high resistance, we need to wait for a retest, right? Because as price is looking the way it's looking, there's nothing else that I can even say but to just make you guys understand that from every price, from every push, there needs to be a pullback, right? So from this push, if price doesn't come back to retest those very same zone, it don't matter. What's important is that we're gonna get a we're gonna get a push and a pullback, so we can look for those continuations to the upside. But if price will give us a break below, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside. But that's something that we might not experience within this week. If it does, then it does, but based on anticipations, then I don't think it might, right? But without further ado, gold will leave it the way it is. Price is bullish, and from every push to the upside, we need to get an exhaustion phase or a pullback or a retest, so we can get that continuation push to the upside. Unless price breaks below that major zone, then we might look for those reversals to the downside. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And USDCAD, I just won't say much like I did on gold, right? But understanding that USDCAD will hit this low, right, and this very same low, a clean double bottom, and we spoke about this, that we're either looking forward for a break below so we can look for those continuations to the upside, or a fail to break that will give us momentum, that will make us have a break above our major zone so we can look for those moves to the upside, right? So USDCAD, you can clearly see how it is. Price is reacting to the double bottom that we had within the previous week, right? So I repeat, if price will give us a break above our major zone or trade above our major zone, then we're going to look for those moves to the upside. If we don't, then we just won't let USDCAD be the way it is. Just like on the NAS, we have anticipated that price is looking kind of choppy. If we don't get what we anticipate, we just let it be, right? Same on USDCAD. If USDCAD won't give us a break above, then I guess we won't trade it. And if price will give us a fall to break, then I guess we might look for momentum that will give us a break below our double bottom, so we can look for those continuations to the upside. And that will be the way it is on USDCAD. Not looking for much, not looking for less. So if you got any value from this video, then I guess we're gonna hit the like button. If you didn't, then I guess we're gonna subscribe to the channel. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, then you're gonna click the subscribe button. And if you haven't shared the video, then I guess we're gonna share the video to someone who needs the gems and the knowledge like you did, like you have received it right now. And another thing, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And before we end the video, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So this is the great time to capitalize, because prices will go up soon to normal prices, and some of you guys might not afford, but for the most part of it, this is the opportunity to capitalize because prices will go up soon. Click that link button, text me on WhatsApp, DM me on Instagram, or just take my number and give me a call so I can pull up to your place and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need. But without further ado, this is your boy Hano, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next trading video. Bye for now.